Hello data enthusiasts and welcome back to my Lean University. Today we are diving deep into the world of data analytics and data science as we explore the key Microsoft Excel skills that can make or break your success in a technical interview. So if you have ever wondered what technical interview questions might be thrown your way into the world of data analytics and data science, you are in the right place. I'm Gunjan, your guide through this Excel adventure. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our data-driven content. Now let's get started with the technical interview questions that would land you that dream job in the data analytics or data science. The first question, how would you use Excel to clean and prepare raw data for analysis? I would start by implementing the raw data into Excel. Use functions like trim and clean to address any text formatting issues and apply filters or conditional formatting to identify and handle outliers or missing values. Additionally, I might leverage Excel sorting and grouping features to organize the data for further analysis. Explain the VLOOKUP function and provide an example of how you would use it in data analysis. VLOOKUP is a function used to search for a value in a table and return a corresponding value. For instance, in a sales dataset, I might use VLOOKUP to find the sales representative name based on their ID, making it easier to analyze individual performance. Can you describe the difference between absolute and relative cell references in Excel? When would you use it? Absolute cell references do not change when copied, while relative references, for example, A1, adjust based on the new location. Absolute references are used for constants, while relative references are beneficial for creating dynamic formulae. How do you create pivot table in Excel, and how can it aid in data analysis? To create pivot table, I would select the data range, go to the Insert tab and choose Pivot Table. This tool helps to summarize and analyze a large dataset by allowing users to drag and drop fields, enabling a quick overview of trends and patterns. Explain the concept of conditional formatting in Excel. Provide an example of when you would apply it. Conditional formatting allows visual enhancement of the cells based on the specified criteria. For example, I might use it to highlight cells with cells below a certain threshold, making it easier to identify areas that require attention. How can Excel's what-if analysis tools such as Scenario Manager can be beneficial in data analysis? What-if analysis tools helps explore different scenarios by changing input values and observing their impact on results. Scenario Manager allows for creation and comparison of the multiple scenarios, aiding in decision-making process. Describe the purpose of index and match functions in Excel. When would you use them together? Index returns the value of a cell in a specified row and column, while match searches for a specified value in a range and returns its relative position. Using them together is powerful for looking up values dynamically in a table. How would you identify and handle duplicate values in an Excel dataset? I would use the Remove Duplicates feature under the Data tab to identify and eliminate duplicate values based on selected columns. This ensures data integrity and avoids double counting in analysis. Explain the concept of data validation in Excel. How can it contribute to accurate data analysis? Data validation restricts the type of data that can be entered into a cell. By setting validation rules such as numerical ranges or drop-down lists, it helps maintain data integrity and ensures that only valid data is used for analysis. What are Excel tables and how do they differ from the regular data ranges? Excel tables are structured ranges with built-in features like automatic expansion, total rows, and banded rows. They make it easier to manage and analyze data dynamically compared to regular data ranges. How can the goal seek function in Excel be useful in data analysis? Goal seek allows user to set a target result and find the necessary input to achieve that result. In data analysis, this can be valuable for working backward to identify the required input to meet a specific goal or outcome. Explain the concept of data consolidation in Excel. When could you use this feature? Data consolidation combines data from multiple ranges into a single range. This is useful when dealing with data from various sources or when summarizing information from different departments or regions. How do you handle large data sets in Excel to ensure efficient analysis? I would use techniques such as data filtering, summarization through pivot tables, and if necessary, consider using Power Query to import, transform, and load data efficiently. These approaches enhance the performance of Excel when dealing with large data sets. Describe a situation where you used Excel to create a complex formula for a specific analytical task. In a previous role, I needed to calculate a weighted average based on different criteria. I used a combination of sum product and sum functions with appropriate condition to achieve the desired data, providing a comprehensive and accurate analysis. How can Excel's solver add-in be beneficial in data analysis, and can you provide an example of its application? Solver is used for optimization problem by adjusting input values to achieve a desired result. For instance, it can be applied to maximize profits by adjusting product prices within certain constraints, optimizing decision-making in various scenarios. Explain the concept of Excel Power Query feature. How does it enhance data analysis capabilities? Power Query is a data connectivity and transformation tool. It allows users to import, transform, and combine data from various sources into Excel. Its intuitive interface and ability to automate data cleaning and shaping processes streamline the data analysis workflow. What is the purpose of Excel if-error function, and how would you use it in data analysis? The if-error function is used to handle errors in formulas by returning a specified value if an error is encountered. In data analysis, it ensures that the error-prone calculations don't disrupt the overall analysis, providing a more robust and accurate result. How can Excel rank function be used in data analysis, and what considerations should be taken while applying it? The rank function assigns a rank to each value in a dataset. It is useful for analyzing the performance or identifying outliers. When applying it, it's important to consider whether you want to handle ties, as rank functions can be adjusted to accommodate different scenarios. Explain the concept of array formulas in Excel. Provide an example of when you would use the array formula in data analysis. Array formulas perform multiple calculations on one or more items in an array. For instance, I might use an array formula to calculate the cumulative sum of a range of values, providing a dynamic and efficient way to analyze trends over time. How can Excel's data model features contribute to advanced data analysis, and in what scenarios they use it? The data model allows for the creation of relationships between tables and enhances pivot table functionality. It's beneficial when working with multiple tables that share common data points, providing a more comprehensive and interconnected view for in-depth analysis. Describe a situation where you used Excel to create a dashboard or visualization to communicate complex data analysis results effectively. In my previous project, I created a sales dashboard using Excel's charts and graphs to visually represent key performance indicators. This not only made it easier for stakeholders to understand the data, but also facilitated quicker decision-making. How can Excel's get and transform feature be advantageous for data analysis? And what are the types of transformation you can perform using this tool? The get and transform is a part of Power Query and allows users to connect to various data sources, perform data transformation, and load data into Excel. Transformation include filtering, splitting columns, and merging queries, providing a flexible and powerful tool for data preparation. What's the purpose of Excel concatenate function, and how does it differ from the concat function introduced in later Excel version? Concatenate combines multiple text strings into one. The concat function serves the same purpose, but it is more versatile and allows for a range of cells to be concatenated directly. Both are useful for combining and formatting data for analysis. How would you approach the analysis of time series data in Excel? And which Excel functions or tools would you use? For time series data analysis, I would use functions like trend or forecast to identify trends and make predictions. Additionally, Excel charts and graphs can be utilized to visualize patterns over time, aiding in more comprehensive analysis. Describe a scenario where you used Excel data validation to enhance data quality in a specific analysis project. In a financial analysis project, I use data validation to create drop-down lists for account categories. This not only standardizes the data entry but also minimizes errors, ensuring accurate and consistent categorization for analysis. I have provided you with a 5-page cheat sheet to help you prepare for data analysis interview and inputting information. Please do not forget to download the free cheat sheet from the description. I wish you all the best for the upcoming interview. Thank you so much.